Okay, so since owning this Buick, I haven't really done much to it other than change the oil. I mean, obviously I drove it home, but that's no surprise. You guys watched me do that. And I've been able to kind of look around it, take in stock, see what did I actually buy. I don't know if it has 77,000 or 177,000 miles on it. We don't know that yet. But what I do know is since I've got it home and I changed the oil, it was pitch black. I have a short in the battery somewhere, not in the battery, but in the electrical somewhere. It drains the battery overnight, but it fired right up. And I put a little bit of B12 into the fuel. Well, I put a lot in the fuel tank. I put a little bit in the carburetor float bowl. What little bit of a bowl there is. This is a quadrajet, so they need constant fuel because the bowls are tiny. And I put a smidge, and I'm talking a smidge. It's kind of dangerous to put a lot, but I put a smidge into the actual oil. When I put fresh oil in, I changed the filter as well. The oil that was in it had no particulate of any kind, so it was healthy, but it was black as can be. Nobody had changed it in years. Floors are fairly solid. There's one spot on the driver's side on the up front, but other than that, it's fairly good. So I'm gonna see what I could do about this door. No crazy sounds. Maybe a little bit of an exhaust leak, but definitely no lifter tick. I put diesel oil in it. I tend to like diesel oils in these older cars. So this is the door in question. The previous owner had disassembled some of the window. I'm going to continue disassembling the rest to remove the glass. I mean, it's no better or any worse. Maybe a little better, but not by much, than the door that's currently on the wagon. So I'm going to take a good look at it, and if I could assemble the mechanism back to where it should be, then a good possibility I'll swap doors, because this door it's not ideal, but this door has a little rot, and this door's pretty good too. The door itself is actually not bad. So let's get to it. Okay, I could definitely see why the previous owner had some trouble with this. And it's only gonna get harder. Thankfully, these are in incredible shape considering their age. they've been through. Wow, wax paper. They are indeed 7/16. Okay, and here's the part where I gotta be real careful. Works. I may have to do some aligning later, but yeah. Ha! That is something. Yeah. All these little pieces. Honestly, they're priceless to the right person. So I'm not going to throw them away. I'm going to go ahead and stack them in that door, which is fairly solid. And I'm going to see if anybody needs a door. If you guys know of anybody that needs a 1970 Buick estate wagon door, because the lines are different from the Impala. That body line along the side, that's different. So either parts of or whatever, let me know. Truly is a marvelous automobile.